AGRO presents the EMC cable gland EVolution EMC. The new EMC cable gland was developed for use in electrically powered commercial vehicles. The EVolution EMC allows the complete pre-assembly of high-voltage power cables. Simplified assembly thanks to the pluggable shield contact. The sealing inserts can easily be replaced without loosening the cable. Just tighten the compression nut to the stop. The new system allows the shortest possible assembly times. The EVolution EMC fulfills the protection classes IP68 and IP6K9K. No broken shield strands inside the components. The EVolution EMC system can be used for single-core cables from 16 to 120 square millimeters and for multi-core cables. Process reliable shield connection for every cable. Designed for the challenging electromobility, the EMC cable gland EVolution EMC. Reliable cable pre-assembly and assembly. Reduced assembly times. Pluggable EMC shield contact solution with a secure 360-degree contacting. Shield current carrying capacity larger than 100 ampere. Degree of protection IP68 and IP6K9K. System solution for cable diameters from 16 to 120 square millimeters.